you want to break a bad habit in just 9 days? You can do it. Here's how to ditch that habit with some fun, unique tricks that actually works. Let's dive in. Start with a surprise. Disrupt your bad habit immediately. On day 1, do something completely unexpected the next time you go to do your habit. For example, if you are trying to stop scrolling endlessly on your phone, set a silly alarm or play a loud sound the moment you reach for it. It's like shocking your brain into realizing it's on autopilot. Or if you bite your nails, try wearing a fun, colorful ring that makes you more aware of your hands. This unexpected action will interrupt your normal habit cycle and snap you out of autopilot. Next, let's replace your bad habit with something fun and easy. On day 4, pick something that will instantly catch your attention whenever you feel the urge to do your habit. Like instead of smoking, try blowing bubbles. Yes, bubbles. It sounds weird, but it's fun and distracting, and it will take your mind off your bad habit. Or if you are trying to stop procrastinating, do a 3-minute dance every time you think about putting something off. Just 3 minutes. You will feel so energized that your focus will shift completely. Now let's make the habit-breaking process more rewarding. On day 7, introduce micro-rewards. After every successful moment when you don't engage in your bad habit, reward yourself with something small. Maybe it's a bite of chocolate or a 5-minute break to scroll through funny memes. These little rewards triggers your brain to associate breaking the habit with something positive. The idea is to celebrate the small victories. The brain will start craving the positive reinforcement more than the bad habit itself. By day 9, you are already on your way to breaking the bad habit. Remember, be consistent, but have fun with it. Use surprise, replace the habit with something playful, and reward yourself for the little wins. You will be amazed at how quickly your brain starts to rewire itself. Like this video if it helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more real tips that actually work. See you in the next video, and good luck with breaking those bad habits.